Okay, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a room tour of the Comfort Suites in Lake Hartwell. So we did get the king suite with 1 bedroom and a sofa bed. Came with a refrigerator. A sofa bed and a sitting area. Good size TV. King size bed. And a lovely desk area. So overall, not too bad. It was nice and spacious. The hotel is a 8-minute drive from Lake Hartwell, so we decided to stay by the lake for the day. Outback is one of the restaurants that is close by, so I end up getting a bacon cheeseburger, and it wasn't so good, but here we are. This is the breakfast area in Comfort Suites. They did have a lot of options to choose from. Overall, I was very happy with the breakfast. Thank you for watching the video, and if you enjoyed the video today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy traveling family vlogs. Thank you.